Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to be featuring Cranberry hair. Shout out to Cranberry hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So this is a 5x5 deep wave transparent lace wig. So this is a closure wig. She's 26 inches long. The density is 180 and she is beautiful. So this curl pattern, it doesn't look like a 26 at first glance because of the curl texture, but once you stretch this hair you will see that it is actually 26 inches. This deep wave is really pretty. This is more of like, once you put product in here and work it into the hair, it's like a ringlet as opposed to a wave, and I do like that. Like, if you prefer, because there are different types of curls, I really love the way this looks, especially when it dries. It just gets so pretty. But this is going to be a simple, easy install. This is transparent lace, and the lace blends really well. I did use lace tint spray. This was mostly for the scalp because I wanted the scalp to have, like, you know, because the scalp is going to be laying on top of the stocking cap. So just to make sure that that color looked as natural as possible, I use the spray. But on the lace along the hairline, as you can see, it blends with the skin really well. So I do have to say that this lace can work for multiple skin tones. The hair was very soft. I did bleach the knots. I did tweeze this hairline with regular shampoo, conditioner, let it air dry. Or before I came to you, this hair is so easy to work with. If you're looking for an easy install, I always say go to 5x5. It will not sit crazy on your head because there's just enough lace for it to look natural and for you to play around. Side part, middle part. I do show you towards the end of the video what this hair looks like in the side part, because I always gravitate towards the center part, but I'm trying to give you versatility, so I show you both. So if you want to see how it looks on the side part, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Shout out to Cranberry hair for sponsoring this video. Check all the links down in the description box, and I also have a few other videos from Cranberry hair. I will link that on the end screen. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
On my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash through the morning, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, and they clip up like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you finesse. I learned this shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with it.
Now that I'm home, back out the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, lean in my foes, Saint Laurent feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger window, and I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold. Nothing but fire, man. She hopped in and drove.
Hands on my knee, all this big itch. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash through the morning, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
You told me text me, when you flip up like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks.
With this school where they teach you finesse. I learned this shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with an S.
The flame on the island, your couch gonna hop on a Learjet. Got positive color,